Today we are going to see about binary tree traversal. First we are going to see what is binary tree. So binary tree is nothing but a tree structure which contains two childs. It should contain only two childs. So 0 or 2 childs only it should have. So if the two childs are represented as left child or right child. So how we are going to travel throughout the binary tree is now given. So the binary in a traversal, each element in the binary it should be visited only once. Okay. So if we go throughout the binary tree, then we have to visit a node at least once. Then only we can get data from that node. So during the visit of an element, all action makes a cloud and then it displays and it gets an operator. So how if we give an expression, then it will do operations of which is given, like division, multiplication or subtraction, like that we can do an operator too. So with the help of this traversal. Then the methods are there are 4 types of methods in tree traversal. One is pre-order, in-order, post-order and level order traversal. So pre-order traversal is nothing but the name itself, it defines the first node, that is the root node should be placed first and then it visits the left node and then it visits the right node. So as we know, the binary tree structure, the root node it must be anything and the left node must be a lesser element of root node and the right element must be a greater element of root node. So here the pre-order traversal, it gives first it prints a root element, then it visits the left element, then it visits the right element. Okay, so all the left element first it visits it, then only it goes to the right element. And in order, so it is in an order. So the name itself it gives the definitions. It is in an order. So in order means it travels from the left node to right node, left node, then root node, then right node. So likewise it travels. Then post order. So the post order means the root node must come to the last session. So first it visits the left node, then right node, then only it prints the root node. In level order, so the level in a binary tree we have several levels. So from the root node to the leaf node we have several levels. So in level order traversal it prints all the levels of elements or nodes in it. So pre-order traversal. So this is what an algorithm for pre-order traversal. In that we have to give a input of a tree. Then we have going to the pointers. The pointer should not be a null one. That is, it has at least one element in it. Okay, so then we print a visit node. So the visit node is nothing but a root node. Then it goes to the left child. So left child of a root. Then it goes to the right child. So the left child, when it goes to the function left child, that is pre-order left child, then it goes to the last most, that is leaf most left child, up to the leaf most left child it travels, then it comes to the right child. So this is what an example for pre-order traversals. So we have 3 nodes here, A, B and C. So here A is a root node, B is a left node and C is a right node. So in pre-order, so it prints like A, B and C. That is, first it prints A, then it prints B, then it prints to C. Likewise, it prints. So here, if that we have small tree structure, here somewhat it is a bigger tree structure. How it going to print? We are going to see. So the root node is A and it has 2 childs. As a binary tree, it has 2 childs, B and C. Then the B node have 2 childs, D and E. D have 2 childs, G and H, and E have I and F have J. Okay, so likewise it forms a binary tree structure. So how it is going to print in a pre-order means first it has to focus on the root node. So first it prints the root node. Then it goes to the left. So left child, first if it is printed as first left child, so that is B. Then it goes to the left child of left child because it has a right child and left child. So it goes to the left child. That it is prints the D. Then D also having a left child and right child. So it goes to the leftmost child. So that is what here it does. The leftmost child of this tree will be printed first. Then the right node of first, that is the last visited root node will be printed. That is H. Then it goes to the next level, that is B. So B, from B, D is already printed. So it is focus on the right child. So then it will be printed E. Then it focus to the left child. There is no left child, so it prints the right child. Then it goes to the upper level. Then that is the root node. Then it will visit the right child. So right child, before printing the execute the right child, so it focuses on whether it have a left child or right child. So it have only one left child. So after printing the root node, then it focuses on the left child, that is F. Then it focus whether F have left child or not. So it doesn't have the left child, it only have right child. So it prints the right child and it comes out. So that is how the pre-order traversal will be work. Next one. This is an expression. So if we give a nodal or given as alphabets, means it is easier to give it. So if the expression is given, means then we have to go with the pre-order traversal, like root node, left node, the leastmost left node, then right nodes of each and every parent node, then it goes to the last leaf node of right child. So that is it printed as first slash, that is division, then multiplication, then addition, then A, then B, then goes to that is subtraction, then C, then D, then it goes to addition, then E and F. So you can see here the working strategies of this. So likewise it prints. So it gives the expression of prefix expressions. So pre-order traversal give the expressions of prefix forms. Next one is in-order traversal. So in order traversal, as we said, it will print the leftmost child. Okay, so that in a given tree, it prints the leftmost child of a tree. Then it goes to the root node. Then it goes to the right child. So this is what given here. First, it prints all the left childs. Then it prints all the parents till the root. Then it prints the right childs. So here, this is a simple example of a binary search tree. In this, in order, it prints like B, A and C, because B is the leastmost left child, then A is the root node, then C is the right child. So it prints B, A and C. Then in this structure, it is somewhat bigger binary search tree. Then here it starts from the leaf node. So leastmost leaf node of right child. So that is, it starts from G. Then it goes to the its parent and it goes to the right child. Okay, so first it prints G, then D, then H. After it prints B, E. If says there is no left child, so it prints I. Then it goes to the root node, then to the right and right of left, then left of left or else left of right. It will print. So the after in-order traversal, the printed will be G, D, H, B, D, I and A, C, F, J will be printed here. Then in order by projections. So how it will be projected means it is projected from the leaf node to the left hand to the right hand. It will print it like this. So this is what the working nature of in order. So it is printed in an order. So it is called as in order traversal. It gives a result as infix expressions. The expressions can be given as this. So it will travel from the leaf node A plus B, then multiplied with minus, then C, D, head node. Then post-order traversal. So the post-order traversal, first it visits the left node, then right node, then only it prints the parent node. So likewise, this is the algorithm for post-order traversal. First it prints the all left childs, then it prints all right childs, then it prints the root nodes or its parent nodes. That is visited parent nodes. So in a simple binary graph, it prints like A, C and A. So this is what a post-order traversal, A, C and A. That is first left child, then right child, then node. So in this, first we have to print the left child, then to right child, then to node. So it prints G, H and G. So it prints, it travels from A to B. So it starts from root node. So it prints first the B node, then C node. So likewise, it prints the leastmost left child, then right child, then parent child. So likewise this. So first it prints G, then right child of D is printed, then the parent of G and H will be printed. So likewise, it prints all the nodes. In expression also, it will print like A, B plus, then minus C, D multiplied, then plus E, F division. So likewise, it will print. So it gives the postfix form of traversal. Then the application of in-order, pre-order and post-order traversal are applied in, it makes used to make a clown, and it is used to find the levels, and it used to know find the number of nodes. Then level array traversal. In level array traversal, what we are going to do is the levels of from the topmost level to leftmost level, we are going to print all the elements in a levels. So what are the elements present in a particular level, we are going to print it. So for that, we are going to use a queue structure. It is having a structure of FIFO, that is first in, first out. So whichever first come inside our queue, then it goes first. So that is what FIFO. So this is the level array traversal. It have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 levels of height. So that is in first level it have a root node. In second level the root node childs, left and right childs are presented. Then in third level the childs of B and C, that is the second level childs are presented, and fourth level the third level childs are presented. So the height of that is the level of this binary tree is 4. So it will print each and every node which is presented in a top to bottom level. First it prints the topmost node, then it prints the second level nodes, that is B and C, then it prints the childs of B and C, then it prints the that childs. Okay, so that is how it prints each and everything. Then the binary tree constructions, whether we have construct a binary tree. So until this we see, if a binary tree is given, then we can make a expressions like infix, postfix and prefix expressions we can make. So if expression is given, we can make a tree structure or not. So it is possible. Why? Because we know the order. So if it is a prefix order, then we know that it is first printed as root node, then to right, left, then to right, left. Sorry. First it prints the root node, then left node, and then right node. So that we know. So we can, whatever the expression is given, that is the in order, pre-order, post-order levels are given, then we can construct a binary tree easily. So some examples. So if a pre-order is given, so as we know, pre-order is first root node, then left node. So like this is given. Then in order. So in order we can represent this. So why? Because I put the left child as well as the right child. So A, B can be a left child or it can be a right child. because we have only two characters. It can be a left child or it can be a right child. So I wrote this. So if the combination of two orders can be given, then we can make a certain binary search trees. So if binary next, the pre-order and post-order is given. So if a pre-order and post-order is given, then we can easily find what is this tree structure is. So we can determine the root node and we can determine this is what a left child and right child. So if a pre-order is given, we know that pre-order is nothing but root node, left node and right node. In post-order we know that it is left node, right node and root node. So here we can determine A can be a root node. Why? Because A is first present in a pre-order. In post-order it is presented in second. But it can be a left, when we see the post-order, it can be a left child, that is A can be a right child or a root node. Here we have to focus on the pre-order. So A is presented in first, so A must be a root node. And we have to focus on B. So for in pre-order, B places in second position. So in second position of pre-order, it denotes the left child. It denotes the left child. And in post-order, it denotes the left child or right child. So that is why I put A is a root node and B is a right child and left child. So if this is how the expression is given means this with this the pre-order we can find the root node, and then with the after finding the root node we can segregate the leftmost parts and rightmost part. Within this we have make a tree structure, binary structure, tree structure after it all. So this is how, if we given two order levels, we can make a tree structure, binary tree structure. If a binary tree structure is given, we can make a expression. So vice versa we can do it. Thank you.